Today I am catering an English tea luncheon for a good friend of mine, Kathy. She asked me to make her some tea sandwiches and a variety of flavored iced tea. Some lemon tea and some berry tea and peach tea that I'm boiling up. And I'm gonna show you a variety of tea sandwiches that we're gonna bring to them today. We're actually gonna be using a nice potato bread. So basically a tea sandwich is just kind of like something they would have to go with tea in England. It's almost like a royal thing, if you will. Typically, dinners are usually not eaten until around 8 p.m. So they would have this with their afternoon tea to hold them over. Today, obviously, we just do it for a nice gathering of friends and whatnot. My good friend Stacy asked me, hey, can you make some tea sandwiches for my mom's 70th birthday? And I'm like, of course I can, I'd love to. On a tea sandwich, the first one we're gonna do is a traditional egg tea sandwich. I like to put just a little layer of butter on the bottom of the bread, and that's just gonna protect the bread from getting mushy. I just made my egg mixture here. This is basically gonna be some mayonnaise, mustard, a little parsley, salt and pepper, and hard-boiled eggs. So super, super simple. Just a thin layer. Spread it on the sandwich here. You don't want to put too much, just a really thin layer. I'm gonna take my other slice here, add another layer of butter to this guy, and try to work with as soft as butter as you can get. That way you don't have to press down too hard on the bread. This could probably use another 30 minutes of softening up, but we're gonna make it work. Then we'll just put this right on top. Now what makes a tea sandwich is actually, we're gonna cut the crust off of the sandwich. And out of each sandwich, I'm gonna try to get about four finger pieces here. So I'm gonna cut it in half first and cut each of these halves in other halves. And I'm gonna make them almost finger size sandwiches. All right, the next sandwich we're gonna make is going to be a traditional British cucumber tea sandwich. The filling for this sandwich is going to be a cream cheese with a little bit of dill and lemon. So I'm gonna take this, spread it nice and evenly on the bread. Cucumber, dill, lemon. Sounds like a lot like tzatziki to me. Just saying, just saying. We are going to add one layer of cucumbers. And these are, of course, English cucumbers that we just sliced up. You only want to do one layer though, because if you do more than one layer, the cucumbers it won't hold the sandwich. So just one layer of cucumbers, another layer of the dill sour cream sauce. Super simple. I mean, this is a beautiful, nice, refreshing way to enjoy a light lunch. Another really nice tea sandwich to make is gonna be a pumpernickel salmon tea sandwich. I'm actually not gonna cover it because it's so beautiful, I'm gonna leave it uncovered. But I'm gonna use that same sour cream with dill and lemon, layer it on the pumpernickel. Now, I like to use like pumpernickel bread, not like pumpernickel bread that you find in your other bread section. Normally, it will be in your international aisle. Don't fall for the fake stuff. It's gonna be like a really thick, dense bread. Is pumpernickel German? I don't know where it's from. You have to let me know in the comments below. All right, so just get that nice little layer on there. And then I'm using some really thin cut pieces of sockeye salmon. Put those layers right there on that. Boom. So I can't get one more on there. Excellent. It is so hot today. They were normally gonna do hot tea because that's what like a British tea time is, but they're like, we need some iced tea. So anyway, we just arrived here. Check it out. This is actually called Our House. It's a really nice venue here in Rockwall, and we're gonna get this party started. All right, let's go inside and check it out. Stacy, my favorite realtor, she actually is in the Christmas vlog.
Oh yeah, yep. That's a good one.
So link up here, check out that vlog if you haven't already. And today we're cooking for your mom.
We are 70th.
70? No way.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
70th birthday, so we always know if we want to get it done and make it look good, we gotta call you.
Thank you. Well, I've never made tea sandwiches before, so it was a challenge, but it was fun.
I know, little tiny cuts,
yeah. Very
I had visions last night of you staying up really late making tiny sandwiches.
5 a.m.
5?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I want to make it fresh this morning for you.
Oh.
So, you know, didn't want everything to take overnight.
Well, that's
anyway,
sweet.
Well, the guests are arriving. I'll let you enjoy, okay?
All right, we'll see. Thank you.
All right. Come here. Let me show you guys what we got here. So, we made the egg salad. This is what we showed earlier. The salmon, we showed that earlier in the kitchen. And the cucumber. I didn't get a chance to tell you guys about the mozzarella, basil, tomato. I had to just cut off the camera because we were like on a time crunch. But we got it out. Also have some good smoked Gouda to go with the tea sandwiches and some fresh fruit as well. And yeah, so you see the guests are arriving there. Alright, that's a wrap, guys. My name is Kostas and I. I hope y'all enjoyed the vlog. Kathy, Stacy, I love you girls. Thank you so much for letting me host your 70th birthday party. I had such an amazing time making those tea sandwiches. I hope y'all learned how to make tea sandwiches today. Not that you ever will, but if you ever do, now you know how to make them. Make a really great, light finger food. Make sure, if you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel, hit that thumbs up, and we'll see you guys later, alright?